Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Linny. Ray, Luke, and I are about to go head on a little adventure, a mini trip to the skate park real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to Sam's and do some cooking with Linny. So I'll catch you guys on the road. Luke's skating around the whole complex right now, and roll that intro. Alright, Luke's gonna show us some sick.
Oh, this guy's in the way.
What?
I don't want to get.
Not ready yet?
No, not yet. Not
okay.
yet.
Nope. Dude, you're so close though.
I know.
Yo guys, we are at Sam's place right now. Coming in hot. I don't remember which one is his. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yo, there's the boy. Sam's here. I'm at Sam's, I guess. That's what I'm apples. What are you doing with apples?
Apple pie.
Oh shit. Nice.
On the apple pie.
Alrighty.
Oh, you want? I don't know what we're doing with the tuna.
Let's do that. Let's do
I have no idea what we're doing with tuna. I haven't thought that through.
I don't really cook fish that much, so I really don't know what's gonna happen. But see what happens. Let's go. Let's get cinematic, boys. Okay, so we're starting with a base of onion, some bell pepper, and some mushrooms. Gonna throw that on the pan, saute for a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and throw in the tuna last, just because it takes really short amount of time to cook, and we'll do a rice with that, and then hopefully that saute will taste really good with that. So, all right, let's get cooking.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me.
Alrighty, rice is going in right now. Got the pie crust here. And Sam's grabbing up some of that pepper.
Send me, I know you do. Send me, darling, you send me, I know you.
This thing's fucking worked up.
This is the cutest pepper I've ever seen in my life.
I'm so glad I just got that.
Darling, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, you send me, you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, honest to do, send me, honest.
I hope you guys enjoyed that little cooking and jam session. We had a lot of fun, but unfortunately it is time to leave. But not to worry, guys, we are about to head on over to the Toge Flyers pop-up meet today, and then we're heading right over to Tucker's meet, so catch you guys there. Yo, what up, dude?
Saw, dude. How's it going?
How you doing?
I'm doing.
Yeah.
I'm doing.
Chilling.
Yeah.
There's the Yada guys.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. There's the Accord. You haven't seen that in a while too. But yeah,
Thanks, man.
there's Taylor's car. All the Toge Flyers boys out here. Yeah. So, guys, this is Tristan. This is his car, man. Tell me about it. What'd you do?
So I've done a whole new header kit on it. We got Tomei headers, Tomei overpipe, NVIDIA N1 exhaust. I had vinyl wrapping done for the Viper stripes and a banner put on. I've got an APR front splitter on there, and we're looking to get a stage 2 tune on it pretty quick.
Nice. Dang. So engine work's coming up next.
Engine work's coming up. Yeah.
It's gonna be fast.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Hell yeah, man. That's awesome. Dang, good to see you. This is so cool.
Send me honest. Send me I know you. Send me darling you. Send me darling you. Send me I know you. Send me I know you do. Send me I know you do. Send me I know you do. Send me I know you do.
Here's the robin's egg, and then there's that darker one.
Oh, that's sick.
Nobody has the robin's egg so far. This is just a sick. Yeah, badass.
Hell yeah, man.
Try it.
Ow.